Understanding how to correctly use glassware is extremely important for the organic chemistry lab, not only for the success of your experiments, but also to maintain safety throughout the lab. To begin, we will discuss the glassware components of the chem kit. This is a round bottom flask. These are used to carry out reactions or as a receiving vessel. They come in various sizes, so it is important to choose a size that suits your reaction. These are kept in the drying oven after cleaning, so be sure to use the orange gloves located under your fume hood or the cork ring to carry them to avoid burning yourself. Something important to note is that these are prone to star cracks, which we will be going over in more detail later on. This is a condenser. You can tell this apart from the column because it is skinnier. It is used in distillation and reflux reactions. A column, which looks similar to a condenser, is used in reactions like column chromatography. Due to its width, it can easily be packed with column packing, unlike the skinnier condenser. Next is a separatory funnel. The funnel allows for liquid to be drained out and into another vessel. This is useful in reactions that require extractions and/or washing of solvents. The stopcock is used to open and close the set funnel. When the handle is parallel to the set funnel, it is open. When it is perpendicular, it is closed. Now we will discuss the different adapters in your chem kit. First is the three-way adapter. This is most commonly used in distillation reactions where it acts as a connection between the reaction vessel and the condenser. This is the Claisen adapter, which is another type of three-way adapter. Next is the vacuum adapter. There is also a specific thermometer adapter. This is used in distillation reactions to hold the thermometer in place without letting any heat or gas escape the apparatus. This is a drying tube. Drying tubes are used at the top of reflux condensers to alleviate pressure without allowing moisture from the surrounding air in. Now we will go over the glassware you can find in the top drawer under your fume hood. You should have several different sizes of the following: Erlenmeyer flasks, beakers, funnels, and graduated cylinders. Erlenmeyer flasks are commonly used as reaction vessels as well as receiving vessels. You will commonly see Erlenmeyer flasks with arms used as the receiving vessel in vacuum filtration. Beakers are used for general storage of compounds. For example, they can be used to hold reagents, solid or liquid, until they need to be used in the reaction. Glass funnels are used to safely pour compounds into other containers with small openings. Graduated cylinders are used to accurately measure liquids.
It is important to use clamps when connecting glassware in the lab. Clamps prevent joint glassware from coming apart and potentially breaking. They are both plastic and metal clamps. These are examples of the clamps you will use in lab. This is a plastic clip. They are used to hold the jointware together. This is a simple burette clamp. It is popular in other chemistry labs, but not used much in the organic lab. It is too short and adjusting the angles with a lock nut can be tricky. This is the 3-fingered extension. It can come off as confusing, but it is actually easy to use. It gives more flexibility. Next, we will show you how to properly grease glassware before joining them together. If you put too much, it will just fall apart. If you don't put enough, the glassware will not come apart. After you rub the grease on, join the glassware by a twisting motion. When should you use clamps and when should you not? You should never use plastic clamps if there's a chance they will get hot. This causes them to melt and stick to your glassware. Here are reasons you should use clamps. If you have an experiment where you have to place your glassware directly on heat, then metal clamps provide a way to quickly remove it from heat and hold it up. If you need to hold glassware in place, clamps are great for keeping them where they need to be. One thing to remember when dealing with all glassware in the lab is to never put stress on it. This will cause star cracks to form and damage the glass. Another reason these could appear is taking a hot piece of glassware and immediately putting it in ice without letting it cool first. We hope this video taught you all about the Glassware and Organic Lab and how to assemble it together and the do's and don'ts.